quiet. Nobody else not messing me. I'm just lying here, chilling by myself, and nobody don't have to mess with me. It's goodness. Cause I don't have time for that today.
You had time for this.
You tuck it too, Daisy. I will get you back. So get your goofy tail over here before I beat you up. Okay, I'm gonna do real good. I don't know who you think you are, but you're kind of lame. But I'm gonna get you. Get over here.
Oh crap, her coming, her by give me no.
For power! I'm making you so good, Daisy. You're about to take a good lesson. Take this. Yeah, take that superpower from me.
You really think you was good, Peach? But I don't think you that good. Cause let me your superpower your face in your face. You feel it. So I don't think you don't care. Mickey, you ain't waste.
Daisy, you could kill me. Get over here.